Ever wondered who's the mastermind behind the innovative Tide Bank? It's a question that has puzzled many, and today, we're diving deep into the corporate world to uncover the identity of the CEO who's at the helm of this groundbreaking financial institution. Tide Bank's significance. Before we reveal the CEO, let's take a moment to appreciate the significance of Tide Bank. This bank has revolutionized the way we think about traditional banking, offering a seamless digital experience and a host of innovative features that cater to the modern consumer. The CEO's role. The CEO of a bank is more than just a figurehead. They are the strategic visionary who sets the direction for the entire organization. They make crucial decisions that impact the lives of millions of customers. The reveal. Drumroll, dramatic pause, and now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the CEO of Tide Bank is. Reveal the CEO's name and image. Brief bio. Let's take a quick look at who this person is. Provide a concise biography, highlighting their educational background, previous roles, and key achievements. Key qualities of the CEO. Innovation. One of the most striking qualities of the Tide Bank CEO is their unwavering commitment to innovation. They have a knack for spotting emerging trends and finding creative solutions to industry challenges. Customer-centric approach. The CEO's customer-centric approach is evident in every aspect of Tide Bank's operations. They prioritize the needs and preferences of customers, ensuring that the bank's products and services align with their expectations. Leadership. The CEO's leadership skills are undeniable. They inspire and motivate their team to achieve extraordinary results, fostering a positive and collaborative work environment. Challenges and triumphs. Overcoming obstacles. Like any successful leader, the CEO of Tide Bank has faced numerous challenges along the way. These may include regulatory hurdles, technological advancements, and intense competition. Key victories. Despite these obstacles, the CEO has managed to lead Tide Bank to significant victories. Highlight specific achievements, such as market expansion, product launches, or awards. Impact on the industry. Industry disruptor. The CEO's influence extends beyond Tide Bank. Their innovative approach has disrupted the traditional banking industry, forcing competitors to adapt to the changing landscape. Future outlook. As the CEO continues to lead Tide Bank, it's clear that their impact on the industry will only grow. Discuss potential future developments and the CEO's role in shaping the future of banking. In conclusion, the CEO of Tide Bank is a visionary leader who has played a pivotal role in transforming the banking industry. Their innovative spirit, customer-centric approach, and exceptional leadership skills have propelled Tide Bank to the forefront of the market. If you're inspired by the CEO's story, consider sharing this video with your friends and family. Let's celebrate the individuals who are making a positive impact on the world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.